Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out a New Jersey vehicle title when you're buying or selling a car. So this is helpful because if the title is filled out the right way, you can avoid delays or problems when it is time to transfer ownership at the MVC. So first, go to the buyer area on the title. The buyer should neatly print their full legal name and complete home address in the spaces provided. So if there's a second buyer, that person's name and address should also be written in the co-buyer section. If there is no co-buyer, you simply leave that part empty. Next, check the line holder section. You only fill this out if the vehicle still has a loan on it. If it does, you'll write the bank or finance company's name and address. If the vehicle has no loan and is being sold free and clear, don't write anything there. So after that, move the seller section. So each owner listed on the title needs to print their name and write their full address. Then each seller must sign exactly the way their name appears on the title. If there are two sellers listed, both people must print and sign. So this part matters a lot because if the names and signatures don't match what's on the title, the MVC can reject the paperwork. After that, move the seller section. So each owner listed on the title needs to print their name and write their full address. Then each seller must sign exactly the way their name appears on the title. If there are two sellers listed, both people must print and sign. So this part matters a lot because if the names and signatures don't match what's on the title, the MVC can reject the paperwork. Now, fill in the vehicle and sale details. So write the odometer reading from the day of sale and then add the date the odometer was recorded and make sure the mileage is written properly and not guessed. So then write the sale date and enter the agreed sale price where it asks. If you see a spot for sales tax, that's usually left blank since the tax is normally calculated and paid at the MVC when the buyer registers the vehicle. So any spaces asking for driver's license numbers or company code numbers can be left blank unless you were told to fill them in. And lastly, complete the buyer's statement area. The buyer prints their name and signs in the correct spaces. And the co-buyer also prints and signs if there is one. So once everything is filled out and signed, the title is ready to be used for the transfer. And then the seller should also give the buyer a bill of sale as extra proof of the transaction. And then the buyer takes the signed title to a New Jersey MVC office within 10 days to register it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.